A brush fire breaking out in Southampton Thursday, burning over an acre of land.
The local departments in New Hampshire have been very busy responding to fires, and our staff has been supporting them.
Officials saying they're seeing an unusually high number of fire incidents for this time of year.
This has been a very long stretch. During the fall, the dangers with the leaves already off the ground, it's a high fuel package that's down there, so that contributes to the rapid fire spread.
The warning tied to a network of 5 remote automated weather stations statewide that determine daily fire danger.
Every hour, this is sending out weather data, so it is giving us our wind speed, our temperature, our relative humidity, and it's also looking at what we call fuel moisture.
Fire officials underlining the importance of having a permit.
In New Hampshire, we have criminal penalties, so if somebody has a fire and it gets out of control or even has a fire without a permit, they're breaking the law, and they can be held accountable for that, and they can be also held accountable for all of the suppression costs.
And if you encounter anything out of control, they say call 911. Don't be a hero.
Please don't try to extinguish it yourself before making that phone call. Early notification us is going to make a big difference so we can stop this.
Now, it should be noted, too, guys, that several local departments that we talked to today, it includes Bedford, Merrimack, and right here in Windham, they're actually suspending permits for the time being to try and wait for that danger level to decrease. And if you're thinking this might be a good time to get a new one, not so fast. A lot of municipalities are actually going to wait to issue new permits until the total level of danger starts to go down as well. Live in Windham, John Schoenheider, WMUR News 9.